Right now, Amazon is sitting on money that belongs to you. According to reports from FBA reimbursement services, the average seller leaves between 1 and 3% of their annual revenue unclaimed every year. On a $1 million business, that is up to $30,000, just sitting there, in reports most sellers never opened. And an entire industry built itself around charging you 25% of that money just to find it. What if you could build the same audit tool yourself this afternoon and run it in 30 seconds every month? Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here is what most sellers do not know. In 2024, Amazon announced they would start proactively reimbursing sellers automatically for items lost or damaged in fulfillment centers, and for customer return discrepancies. That sounds like the problem is solved. It is not. Amazon said almost all cases will be covered automatically. Almost all is not all. The cases that fall through the automation, the ones that do not trigger an automatic payout, are now on a 60-day clock. For fulfillment center losses, you have 60 days from when the item was reported lost or damaged to file a manual claim. For customer return discrepancies, you have between 60 and 120 days after the refund date. Miss that window, and the claim is gone permanently. Before November 2024, sellers had 18 months. Now you have 60 days, and Amazon is counting on you not noticing. Here is exactly what is happening inside your account. Every time a unit gets damaged in the fulfillment center and the automatic reimbursement does not fire, that item disappears from your inventory ledger with no payout. Every time a customer return comes back marked damaged and Amazon's automation misses it, you absorb the cost on both ends with nothing coming back. The reimbursements report in Seller Central shows every payout Amazon has already made. If a loss event does not appear in that report, the automation did not catch it, and no one is coming to find it for you. That is what FBA reimbursement services exist to do. They cross-reference your reports, find the gaps, and keep 25% of whatever they recover. Claude Code running in VS Code does the same cross-reference. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Create a folder on your computer. Call it Amazon Reimbursement Audit. Inside it, create a subfolder called Data. Go to Seller Central, then Reports, then Fulfillment. Download 3 files. Under Customer Concessions, grab FBA Customer Returns. Under Payments, grab Reimbursements. Under Inventory, grab Inventory Ledger. Drop all 3 in that data folder. 2 minutes of clicking. That is your raw material. Step 2. In VS Code, open Claude Code and run this first prompt. Create a claude.md file in this project folder. It should define the following Amazon report rules. In the FBA Customer Returns report, the disposition column uses these values. Damaged and carrier damaged mean Amazon is responsible and owes reimbursement. Sellable means the item was recovered. Customer damaged means it is not claimable. In the inventory ledger, use the detailed view downloaded as CSV. The reason column uses plain text phrases. Flag rows as potential claims when reason is one of these 3. Inventory misplaced, damaged at Amazon Fulfillment Center, inventory disposed of. Do not flag rows where reason is inventory found, reimbursed, inventory disposition change, or any product redefinition transfer. These mean the issue was already resolved. Only flag rows where quantity is negative. The FBA reimbursements report shows only reimbursements Amazon has already paid. If a fund does not appear in that file within 60 days of the loss event, it was never reimbursed. Also note, as of March 2025, Amazon calculates reimbursements based on manufacturing cost, what the seller paid the supplier, not selling price. If I provide landed cost per SKU, use it to calculate estimated claim values. Store all of this context so you can use it in future prompts. That claude.md file is your permanent translator. Claude Code now understands Amazon's data the way an expert auditor would. One prompt, one file, set up once. And if you have your landed cost numbers from your supplier invoices, add them. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Step 3. Every month, after you drop in fresh reports, run this second prompt. Read customerreturns.csv, reimbursements.csv, and inventoryledger.csv in the data folder. Use the rules in claude.md. Find every fund SKU where the customer returns file shows disposition of damaged or carrier damaged, or the inventory ledger shows a negative quantity adjustment with reason of inventory misplaced, damaged at Amazon Fulfillment Center, or inventory disposed of, and no matching reimbursement exists in the reimbursements file within 60 days of that event date. Output a file called claimsthismonth.csv with claim type, fund SKU, order ID if applicable, event date, quantity, and estimated value based on any product cost data available. That file is your audit. Everything in it is money Amazon owes you that they have not paid. Step 4. For every row in that file, you need a case. Run this third prompt. For each row in claimsthismonth.csv, write a Seller Central case message. For damaged customer returns, include the order ID, fund SKU, return date, and disposition code. These get submitted via Help, Get Support, FDA Returns Reimbursement. Then enter the order ID. For lost or damaged warehouse inventory, include the fund SKU, event date, reason text from the ledger, and quantity. These get submitted via Help, Get Support, My Issue is Not Listed. Paste the message in the What Do You Need Help With field and put the fund SKU in the reference numbers field. Format each claim as a separate copy-paste block, labeled with the claim type and submission path. Claude Code generates the exact text. You open Seller Central, paste, submit. You just built in one afternoon what an entire service industry charges 25% to run for you. It runs itself every month in 30 seconds. If you have the Seller Labs MCP server connected to Claude, it gets even faster. Claude pulls your reports directly. No downloads, no folders, single prompt. Every dollar it finds is yours, all of it. And somewhere in your account right now, there are claims with a 60-day expiration on them that nobody is watching but you. What is the biggest cost in your Amazon business that you feel like you should not have to pay? In case you missed all the details provided in this video, you can find them in the comments. See you in the next one.